Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Sonam here. Today I'm going to teach you about fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. Anything that is whole. For example, I have a circle. It's a whole circle. But if I cut it into 4 equal parts, then it is a circle will be 1 by 4. It means each part will represent 1 by 4. 1 by 4 for this, 1 by 4 for this, 1 by 4, and this is also 1 by 4. So there are 4 equal parts. If I'll add, then I'll get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 4 by 4. It means 1. I'm getting my circle. So fraction is a part of whole. A part of whole is known as fraction. So today I'm going to teach you everything about fraction. For example, you can see here there are types of fraction. First one is like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction, mixed fraction, decimal fraction, and last one is common or vulgar fraction. So, like fraction, I'm going to explain you. Like fractions, a fraction having same denominator. For example, 5 by 9 is there, so this is numerator and this is denominator. Okay, so any fraction having same denominator, for example 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 8 by 9, 9 by 9, and so on. You can see here 4 fractions are there in which denominator is same in all. So 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 8 by 9, 9 by 9. Denominator is equal or same in all the fractions. So these fractions are known as like fraction. Unlike a fraction having different denominators. Example, 2 by 6, 9 by 12, 5 by 6, 4 by 11, and so on. So you can see here there are 4 fractions, 2 by 6, 9 by 12, 5 by 6, and 4 by 11. In all the cases, the denominators are different. So these fractions are known as unlike fractions. Now the third is proper fraction. Third is proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than denominator. For example, 1 by 5, 6 by 12, 19 by 23. In all the cases, numerator and this is denominator. For this, numerator is 1, denominator is 5. Numerator is 6, denominator is 12. Numerator is 19 and denominator is 23. So in all the cases you can see here numerator is less than denominator. So these fractions are known as proper fractions. Fourth is improper. Improper fraction are just opposite to proper fraction. Here, a fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. I can reverse these numbers. For example, 5 by 1, 12 by 6, 23 by 19. You can see numerator is greater than denominator. Here 12 is greater than 6. 23 is greater than 19. So in all the cases numerator is greater than denominator. So these fractions are known as improper fractions. Now the fifth one is unit fractions. Unit fraction, a fraction with numerator one. For example, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and so on. These are the example of unit fraction. Any fraction having 1 as the numerator is known as unit fraction. Now earlier I have written 1 by 5 as a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. So it is proper also. Okay. Now 1 by 5 means numerator is 1. Here also numerator is 1. Numerator is 1. So you can see this is unit fraction. Now the sixth one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, a fraction, a combination of fraction a combination of whole and proper fraction, whole number and proper fraction is known as mixed fraction. For example, 2 1 by 9. Here 2 is whole number and 1 by 9 is proper. Another example, 6 2 by 9. So 6 is whole number, 2 by 9 is proper fraction. Now the seventh is decimal fraction. Of fraction having denominator like 10, 100, 1000 and so on. For example, 2 by 10. Denominator is 10. So this is decimal fraction. 5 by 1000. Denominator is 1000. So it's a decimal fraction. 21 by 10,000. It's a decimal fraction. So these are the example of decimal fraction. Now last one is 8, that is common or vulgar fraction. fraction which is not decimal, or which is common, is known as vulgar fraction. For example, 2 by 5 is, I know it's a proper fraction, but it's not a decimal fraction. So this is the example of vulgar fraction. If I want, I can make it decimal fraction. If I'll multiply the number by 2, I'll get, now this is decimal fraction. But when we will talk about 2 by 5, now this is a common or a vulgar fraction. So these are the types of fraction that you can see. Now some examples we can see and we can check our knowledge related to fraction. Examples. 5 by 12. Which fraction is this? Numerator, and this is denominator. 5 by 12 is an example of common, and numerator is less than denominator, so it's a proper fraction. It's a common and a proper fraction. 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is a unit fraction. 12 by 9, numerator is greater than denominator, so it's a improper fraction. Another example, 6 by 100. Denominator is 100, so it's a decimal fraction. Group of fractions like 1 by 5, 10 by 5, 9 by 5, 12 by 5. So denominators are same in all the fractions, so these are like fractions. If 1 by 5, 2 by 9, 12 by 5, 6 by 13, we can see here denominators are different. So this is unlike fraction. So these are some examples. In that way you can test your knowledge related to fraction. Thank you for watching.